Hi guys, I know it's been a while. I feel so full. I just finished eating a nice bowl of spaghetti that I made this morning. I got up early this morning and I did my chores, my house chores. Did my laundry, cleaned my house, cooked a big, nice pot of spaghetti. It was so delicious. I just finished eating that. And I actually washed my hair. My hair is still drying, so it's dripping on my shirt. But you guys, I am about to try this bowl of grapefruit. Now, I grew up eating grapefruit. I grew up eating all kinds of fruit. My dad, in our yard, we had a date tree. We had watermelon. We had banana tree. We had like 4 different types of trees, and we used to always like get grapefruit and all different types of fruit. My dad, he loved like fruit salad, so it's just in my blood to eat fruit. Of course, I'm from Florida. It's tropical down there, so we be eating some good fruit. But I never had grapefruit raw like this without anything added. I usually would add sugar for taste, but I'm about to try this grapefruit without sugar, you guys. Let's see. And I cut it up into 4 slices. It smells good. Wow. It has a bitter taste to it, but it's juicy. It's good. I think I just like bitter fruit. I like bitter and sweet. I like pretty much extreme taste. And I think this is nothing for me because when I was eating my spaghetti, I actually was drinking a cup of cranberry juice. And cranberry is kind of bitter. I love me some cranberry juice. I used to drink that all throughout college, you guys. This is good. Gotta bust it open. Bust it open. Like that. Look at it. I like the way it's made. I want to try jackfruit, but I just gotta find out where to buy some from. Here in New York. It is good. Mainly, it is great. You say you can't do grapefruit? It has a lot of nutritional benefits. Anti-inflammatory. Oh, it's bitter. I'm starting to taste it now. When I first bit into it, it had like a sweet taste to it, and then as I got more into it, I can really taste the grapefruit. I guess because the cranberry flavor on my tongue is kind of dissipating. I'm doing it without sugar because I would normally add sugar, but I feel like I get enough sugar. There's sugar in cranberry juice. I drink orange juice. There's sugar in that. Sugar, sugar, sugar. So I figure I'll just take a break from the sugar and not add any sugar to this. But it's good. Now it has a label on here. It says organic. It says organic, homegrown, organic farms. It feels like my lips are tingling a little bit. I guess that's a good thing. Ooh, wait. I like that. I like ginger too. Like I eat ginger raw just like this. Like I chew on it. I chew on the raw ginger vegetable. I mean, why you can't eat it raw like this? Why you can't do grapefruit? What about grapefruit juice? I might eat 2 slices now and save the other 2 for later. It feels so good to wake up in the morning, especially on a Saturday, and take care of all of your chores, your duties before 12 o'clock. So I wake up like 7 and I'm done by like 11. And I'm supposed to be getting a call from somebody. I like the way it feels when it hit the back of my throat. Like, I hope it's good to eat. You know, they got so many types of food that like, oh, it's not good. It's not good for you. This whole vegan movement. What was that squirting out? It's like a mist. I like pineapples. I like mango. I can eat fruit all day. I keep fruit in my kitchen. I have to. It's like, it's my snack when I get the munchies. Crack open me an orange or a mandarin orange. But I'm full because I did just finish eating. And one thing I don't do is like force myself. If I'm already full. I'm imagining though this grapefruit is going to help with my digestion because it has like, is it antioxidants? It helps like break down the food. I am full. I'm about to relax. I just like finished everything I needed to do for today. I finished my laundry, folding it, putting it up. I'm just about to chill and enjoy this calm, peaceful Saturday. I'm happy to see that the sun is out in New York. That's a wonderful thing because it snowed the past couple days, so we got some sunlight. I was like, okay, but I will catch you guys later. The aroma. All right, love you guys. Bye bye.